the charging station, all you have is this one little port back here, plug it in, and then in a second you'll see a few lights come up. So you have the green, blue, and the red. I'll explain what those mean really quick, but they're on the back if you ever need to figure out what they mean. Blinking green means it's charging, solid green means it's fully charged. You have a blinking red, which is basically the station telling you to recalibrate. I'll explain what that's for. Let me grab the battery. On the top port, you have these little bars right here. So those little bars indicate 0 to 20% charge. So one bar is 0 to 20, the second bar would be 20 to 40, and so on. Basically, over time, just depending on how much you use it, how many cycles you've been through, the charging station will recognize that those little bars aren't reading accurately anymore because you lose power over time, right? And the charging station will recalibrate so that it should really be reading. So that's what the blinking red would be. All you have to do is place the battery on the workstation and then press this little button, depends where you're sitting in, obviously. There's two sides. From there, it would start blinking blue. It takes 24 hours, so we recommend doing it over the weekend. Once it's fully calibrated, it'll be solid blue. If you ever get a solid red light, it could be an error. Usually it's from it not sitting correctly, but if you've tried it multiple times and it keeps giving you a solid red, it could be that there's something wrong with the battery itself. Then you would just give us a call. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The green, blue, and red. Moving on to the